First thing we want to do when we create our schedule is first check, make sure we're in the proper organization. Then we'll go over to our navigation pane. We will go down till we see schedules. And when we click on schedules, we take a look and see that we have one created already by the template that says always, but we're going to create another one by clicking add schedule. Now we're going to go ahead and name the schedule. And we're going to name this schedule Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. And while we're doing that, we can take a look to the right and we can see that we have tags. If we add a tag, this will help us when we want to do some report searches. Most important thing is to check that organization, make sure that looks good. We'll also use this as default schedule type. And we're going to use 24 hours instead of AM, PM. You'll see we have our days Monday through Friday, and we have that in place. Now what we're going to do is we're going to left click on Monday there, click on that 3-dot stack that opened up, and we can use the arrows to change the times, or we can highlight an area and use our keyboard to enter the times that we want in there. After that, we can save that, and you'll see we saved it, but it doesn't appear to be anyway. Well, that's because we've got our 24-hour clock in place, so we have to scroll down to see that 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. We can change that by just showing work hours only, and that'll clean it up a little bit for us, make it a little easier to view. You'll see that now if we try to drag that over to say all the way across and include all of our days, it won't allow us to do that. It will just move the time frame that we've created into the individual day and even adjust it as we place it there. So what we want to do is we want to use a different method that is much better. So we'll try to click on that 3-dot stack again, go to the upper right hand corner, and hit the garbage can to delete that. Now we're going to slide all the way to the right and hit create interval. By doing that, we're going to be able to enter the days that we would like by placing check marks next to them, and then we'll adjust the time frame that we want to use, our 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., and we're going to create that interval. But then it looks like we only have Monday still. Well, that is not the case. It just collapsed all the days into one column. If we click on the column, it will open up. If we hit collapse again, it will collapse them down. So now we've got our Monday through Friday, 7 to 5. So that looks good for us. We're going to go through and check to make sure everything looks okay. Right organization, good name. Now we're going to hit create to create this new schedule. Everything looks good. It looks like it created the new schedule that's in place. We can highlight over that to show the whole name of the schedule. We can also go to the 3-dot stack, and we could edit, we could quick delete, or we could make a copy of this if we wanted to make a copy and maybe change the name for something else. So what we'll do is we'll just hit edit, and we can hit edit in either of those places, and we'll take a look just to make sure everything is still in place. Let's take that and take the collapse away. Everything looks good. So now we've created our schedule.